the skinny on margaritas. JauntTV learns how from the JW Marriott Cancun. The ingredients are Don Julio Reposado, agave nectar, Grand Marnier Premium, and lime juice. The key to the skinny margarita is fresh lime juice. It'll be 2 parts tequila, 1 part lime juice, 1 part Grand Marnier, and 1 part agave nectar. Pour ice into the shaker. Shake for about 10 seconds and pour into the salted glasses. Top with some more ice and garnish with a lime. For a bonus, to make a mojito, stomp some lime and mint in the bottom of a glass. Add rum, simple syrup, lime juice, ice, and top it off with club soda. Stir, and it's ready to drink. Salud!